Would you believe it's been 80 degrees the last couple days? And here it is snowing. That's right, where we're going, it's nice and warm. Can't wait to get the boat out. It's gonna be fun. And that's how it's done. All right, we're going to Bullfrog and we're going to Moab. 5 days or so on the road. Got the boy with me. Say hi, boy.
Hi, boy.
Better known as Chase. And the girls are gonna meet us in Moab probably Friday night. We're gonna take off and get this going. Woo!
Can you stop?
We gotta go to Walmart and get some food. Walmart? Finally, on our way. Walmart's done. Gas station's done. Everything's filled up.
To merge onto I-15 South.
She's got to talk. We're on our way. Everything's done. WAZZUP! Is that not the way we do it? It's not the way we do it. All right. Stan's Burger Shack. Gotta stop here when you come through for a shake. I guess this will be dinner, huh? Now that we are done eating our shakes and bathing the GoPro in shakes, we're ready to go head out the Bullfrog. GoPro survived the shake. All right, let's go. They even raked the gravel for you. It's fancy. We made it to Lake Powell and wanted to come check it out because the water's at like record lows right now. So the main boat ramp, the main boat ramp that we used last summer is now closed because the water is so low. So they're hoping the snowpack will get it back up there, but check this out. Holy smokes. Here we are at the bottom of the ramp.
You'd be drowning right now.
Let's go walk on the bottom of Lake Powell right now. Need a giant tire? I'd probably be under close to 20 feet of water right here.
So right now, how deep of water would it be in?
Oh, you'd probably be under 20 feet of water.
Oh, that's cold. Woo.
This looks like it was an old boat ramp right here. It's asphalt, but it's underwater all the time. I don't know. It's weird. Check this out. went through that one spot, man. I think I got it on my little camera right there on the mirror, but we almost got stuck. That would have been bad. It didn't look muddy, but it was muddy. All this was underwater here last summer, all of it. My truck would be covered completely underwater right now. That's so weird to think. I know you're probably tired of me saying it, but it's eerie to think you're walking underwater last summer. Weird. Dude, we're climbing up this rock. I am too fat for this crap. What's up, boy? Somebody was up here vandalizing.
1978.
1978. It's gonna be nappy time later today. We made it to the top. It's crazy. There's the truck. This is straight down where we're at. And when we get down there, I'll show you a view looking up. That's where we just were, right up there. Woo! Well, I was trying to help somebody get out of the mud back there. And look at what happened. Nothing till tomorrow when they can come out and rescue us. All right, going back to the trailer.